Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you like this watch and would like to purchase it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at JazzTime.com. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the Rolex Day Date 36 in yellow gold with a champagne baguette dial. I will tell you a little bit about the history of the day date, then tell you about where this watch stands in the lineup of other similar day dates, then tell you about the case, bezel, dial, bracelet movement, finally try it on and give you my thoughts. So let's start this review on this day date 36, reference 128238. Let's start with the history. Now, the day date came out in the early 1950s. It came out around 7 years after the advent of the Datejust, their most famous line. Rolex as a company started in 1905, so it was approximately 50 years after their inception that they created one of their most prestigious, if not their most prestigious watch in the Day Date 36. It's also colloquially named the President because many presidents have worn it, including Eisenhower, Kennedy, etc. And the bracelet is called the President Bracelet. So they commonly refer to this watch as the President. Now, why and what makes this watch so special is that it has a complication of both the day and the date, hence the name Day Date. The day, Monday through Sunday, is seen at the 12 o'clock, and the date, 1 through 31, is seen at the 3 o'clock position, giving it two complications in addition to the most obvious, which is time and date. So it's not a super complicated watch, but it is the most complicated dress watch that Rolex is making at the moment. Okay, now with that said, that gives you a little bit about the history of the day date. Now, since early 1950s, which has now been 70 years, so the day date, or the President, has been around for 70 years. It's gone through many variations, but it's always more or less looked the same. It has looked the same, but has gone through variations to make it updated, upgraded to what the current standards are for watchmaking, and but it's more or less looked the same. Okay, now which brings us to the next topic, which is where does this watch stand in the lineup? Well, the day date can be broken down easily into two categories, which are 36 millimeter and 40 millimeter. That comes out to basically medium and large. So women can wear this who like to wear larger watches, or men who have a smaller wrist could also wear this. Well, it can go both ways, but the 40 is pretty much only for men. I have seen a few women wear it, but it's much less common. And so what we're looking at here is the 36. Now, within the 36, there's a ton of variations. They make it in every color material: yellow gold, rose gold, white gold, and platinum. And they also make it with many different dial configurations, all the basic configurations: white, black, green, etc. But they also make it in this champagne. What is kind of special about this is the dial, which I'll get to when I start talking about the specifics. Okay, now, so where does this watch stand in the lineup? Well, it has a fluted bezel, which is the most basic bezel a day date can have. Basic doesn't mean bad. Basic is also very good in the sense that it is the most iconic part of the Rolex, after the second only to the crown. And it also looks quite beautiful. It's a mark of distinction. Now, that makes this day date in not the lower end, but sort of the mid to lower end of day dates, because the day dates can get really crazy with incredible bezels, bracelet combinations, stone dials, etc. So I have to say it's at the a little bit above the most basic, because most basic would not have these diamond baguette hour markers, but it's still at the very beginning of the day dates. The day dates can get up to 100,000. This one retails as of 25 for only 41,000. So, and we're selling it for right around there at jazztime.com. So, by the way, if you want to buy this watch, click on the link in the description below to buy it at jazztime.com. And so it's sort of at the entry point of the day dates, which is not a bad thing. An entry point of a Ferrari is not a bad thing, right? Neither is the entry point of a day date. President. Okay, that's where this watch stands in the lineup. Now, let's start talking about the watch itself, starting with the case. The case is 36 millimeters, as I stated, can be worn for either a man with a smaller wrist or a woman that likes to wear larger watches, which is commonly It's a common thing nowadays, and I believe the watch that this one sold to, I believe it is a woman, although I'm not certain because a man bought it, but I think he bought it for his wife or girlfriend, which makes sense. Okay, so that's 36 millimeters, and it is all made of yellow gold. Now Rolex mixes its own gold in its gold foundry so that the color will stay this beautiful bright yellow forever. It won't oxidize, or it'll just look fantastic throughout its entire life. Okay, now let's move on to the bezel. The bezel is fluted bezel, has this nice edge, serrated edge, as you can see. And what makes it special is that the fluted bezel originally was used for a functional purpose to screw on the crown or the crystal to the case, but it's since gone on to just be an aesthetic feature, and it's a mark of distinction done in yellow gold to match the rest of the case, and it really looks amazing. In fact, it's the second most iconic part to the Rolex aside from the crown. So anyone who sees this, it's unmistakably Rolex. Nobody else does this fluted bezel, and Rolex does it amazing. Now let's move on to the dial here. Now the dial is something kind of special, not kind of special, it is special. Why? Because previously Rolex was only releasing the champagne dial with round diamonds. Now you might be wondering, what is the difference? Well, this one's rectangular, which is called baguettes, and round is round, as you can imagine. Now, why would you want one or the other? Well, round looks a little bit more feminine, looks a little bit more old school. There's nothing wrong with that. Traditional old school is not a bad thing, and especially if you're a woman, then it looks feminine anyways, so that's not a bad thing. But baguettes typically were used for men, like to use them because they don't look really like diamonds. They actually look like regular stick hour markers, except if you look closely, you'll realize they're diamonds. So it adds a very nice high-end touch to the watch without feminizing it. So guys can actually wear this now, but whereas on the diamond dial before, it was a little bit harder for men to wear because it just was a little too feminine. Okay, with that said, the new dial as of 24 has come out with his baguette dial, and that's what you see here. That's what makes this watch quite special, if you ask me. Okay, let's move on to the bracelet. The bracelet is your standard President bracelet, which is 3-piece links across, semicircular. There is no micro adjustment on it. It looks absolutely beautiful, and there you have it. Let's talk about the movement. The movement also is updated from the previous generation. 255. It has a power reserve of 70 hours. You can't see it. It's really good. Okay, let's try this watch on my wrist. Now, I'm a man. This can be for man or woman. I recommend it for people, men or women, with a wrist size of between 6 to 7 inches. I'm going to say 5.75 at the smallest to 7 inches. And the reason I say that is because if you have a larger wrist than that, you should wear a 41. If you have a smaller wrist than that, probably you should wear a Datejust 31 instead. But those who are in the middle of what I just stated, 6 to 7 inches, which is a lot of people, by the way, it's actually the majority of people, they could benefit from this 36, and it looks really awesome. What are my thoughts about the Day Date? Well, it's I don't want to say must-have. There's no $40,000 must-have, but if you are loving watches, like your watch to maintain its value, want to have a watch with massive presence, absolute beauty that will last the test of time, and you have to have a very prestigious timepiece that just says, I have good taste, I have money, and I love watches, something like that, then you should definitely consider this one. And for me, I like the baguettes over any other dial marker because they actually look like indexes, but they subtly put diamonds in there, and to me it looks fantastic. So I'm going to recommend this for women mostly, and also for men, as I said, with smaller wrists. And I'm going to give it 2 thumbs up. So look, if you want to buy this watch, please go to jazztime.com or click on the link in the description below to buy it at jazztime.com for the lowest price anywhere online.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on the mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.